Hello, my lovelies. I hope you are well. Our lesson today talking about the states of matter. The states of matter, solid, liquid, and gas. So let's start. Let's talk about the theory that working within the solid, liquid, and gas, called the kinetic theory of matter. The states that all matter is made of tiny particles that are in a constant motion. The state of matter is determined by how much particles move and how often they bump into each other. So we know that it's a solid or liquid or gas by the kinetic theory of matter, that the tiny particles are in a constant motion. The solid. Let's talk about the properties of the solid. First, it definite volume and shape. Okay, the particles are close to each other and don't move freely. The particle in a solid vibrate but remain in a fixed position. Solid vibrate and remain in a fixed position. The solid can't easily change the shape or the volume. It's a solid. The particle vibrate but are in a fixed place. Now let's talk about the liquid. The properties of the liquid is a substance with definite volume but not in a definite shape. Particles in a liquid have more kinetic energy than the particles in the solid. So the liquid have more kinetic energy because it's move faster. Okay. The liquid takes shape of their container. The particles in a liquid are close to each other, but not tightly arranged. There is no arrangement. The particles in a liquid slide past each other, creating the flow. Let's talk about the properties of the gas. It's a substance that doesn't have a definite volume or shape, and the substance in the gases has the particles with the most kinetic energy. The gas doesn't have a volume or a shape, so it's apart. The space between the gas can change easily, and the gas take a shape of their container. Let's talk about the melting. What is the melting? The melting, the solid is changed into liquid. So when the solid is heated, if the vibration in the particles are fast enough, the particles break and slide past one another. When the temperature changes from liquid to a solid form called freezing, so lower temperature cause the particle to move slowly enough for the attraction between them that cause the liquid to become a solid. Now, when the water freezes at 0 Celsius, but there is another substance can freeze at the room temperature. Example, the aluminium. Aluminium, it will not melt until it reaches temperature above 660 Celsius. Now, when solid is changed into liquid, it's a melting. When liquid to gas, boiling, from gas to liquid, condensing, from liquid to solid, freezing. And now, from solid to liquid, increasing energy. From liquid to gas, increasing energy, but the opposite, decreasing in energy. So, solid, liquid, gas, the kinetic energy of the particle of matter and the distance between the particle of matter increase. Now we've finished our lesson 4. So if you need anything or any question, please tell me.